polishing industry, what I would call the pro polishers, big, huge grinders, they'll prep and take care of a slab, and then they're going, here, you get to have fun. They're nowhere to be found on the maintenance side. So what we've done with this piece, this half, we are taking the Malish tools, and this is the 400 grit, the green. We've already taken a pass with the 400. It is running just as smooth as anything, because that Simix has, between the prep that we did up to the 200 and now the 2 coats of Densifier, it has really just hardened that top piece to where this was just like going across glass. So before we take up all the water, we're going to go right to the 1000 grit, which we have on the machine now, and we're going to take the 1000 pass. Then we'll rinse and pick up,